We are glad that you are interested in our Libelle DataMasking software, the data masking tool for seamless anonymization of production data. In this video we will show you how to install Libelle DataMasking on your local machine. Download the newest LDM version and unzip it. We recommend unzipping to a designated folder to keep things organized. After the successful unzipping, execute the setup.cmd. Choose Install and press Next. After you have read and accepted the license agreement, you can click Next and continue to the next wizard page. Check the system specifications. Note the installation path. For our installation we will use HTTPS for the connection to the front end, but you can also choose to use HTTP. Either provide the path to an existing private key or generate a new one. Under Connectors Data you can check which database connectors you want to install. In our case we have selected the Libelle connector for Oracle. Note that you will still need the proper database libraries. You will find them on the website of your database provider. Wait for the installation to finish. This may take several minutes. Select Start Application now if you want to take your first look at your new LDM frontend. Welcome to Libelle DataMasking. In our next video we will learn how to create a configuration with Libelle DataMasking.